dear student. In class 10th, we have seen that how to draw a line in two variables. Now we will discuss the graph of linear inequality in two variables. We know that a line divides the Cartesian plane into two parts. Each part is known as a half plane. A vertical line will divide the plane into left half plane and right half planes, and a non-vertical line will divide the plane into lower and upper half planes. A point in a Cartesian plane will either lie in a line or will be lie in the either of the planes 1 or 2. If any point in the plane will satisfy the inequalities ax plus by is less than c or ax plus by is greater than c. Hence, the graph of inequality is in the form of plane. The region containing all points, the solution of an inequality is called the solution region. Sometimes region is upper half plane and sometimes its region is lower half plane. We shall now consider some example to explain the procedure for solving a linear inequality involving two variables. Here the question is that solve the 3xy less than or equal to 0 graphically in two-dimensional plane. Here the 3x minus y is equal to 0. If we simplify it, it becomes x is equal to 2. So first we draw the graph of the line x is equal to 2. This is the tracing of the line of the graph x is equal to 2. Now we select a point, general point, let 0 0. This is our 0 0 point, origin. If we put the 0 0 in the given inequality, it becomes 3 times of 0 minus 6 is equal to minus of 6. And we know that minus of 6 is less than or equal to 0, which is true. It means that the solution region is the shaded region on the left hand side of the line of x is equal to 2, which is contained the point 0 0. Like this. So this is our solution region. Now the next question, solve the y greater than equal to 2 graphically in two-dimensional plane. So first we draw a line y is equal to 2. So this is our line y is equal to 2. Now select we point says 0 0 and substituting in the given inequality in place of y, if we put 0, it becomes 0 greater than equal to 2, which is false. Hence, our solution region is like that. It is upward direction of the line y is equal to 2. This all is our solution region of y greater than equal to 2, because all point which is lies on the lesion is satisfied this inequality. Let it is 0 3. If we put here 3, then 3 greater than equal to 2. Now let take 0 5. If we put here 5, then 5 is greater than equal to 2. Now next question is solve the y less than 2 graphically in two-dimensional plane. So first we draw the graph of the line y is equal to 2 but in the dotted pattern. So this is our graph of line y equal to 2 in the dotted pattern. Now again take a general point, it is 0 0. Put here in place of y equal to 0. So 0 is less than 2, which is true. Hence our solution region is downward of the line y is. like that. This all is our solution reason y less than 2, because we put here in place of any general point, let us say it is -2 and 0. If we put in place of y equal to 0, 0 less than 2. Now let us take this point, it is 0 minus 3. If we put here minus of 3 is less than 2. Hence this all point which is lies on the region is satisfied this inequality. So this is the solution reason of this inequality. Next question is, solve the x plus y greater than equal to 5 graphically in the two-dimensional plane. So first we draw the line x plus y is equal to 5. So this is our tracing of the line x plus y is equal to 5, because in place of we put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 5. So the point is 0, 5. And if you put in place of x is equal to 0, then it gives y equal to 5. So this is the first point. Now put in place of y equal to 0, it gives x is equal to 5. So it is the another point. If we join these 2 points, so this is the tracing of our line. Now select the 0, 0. This is the general point. If you want to change this point, you are also to put in place of 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. Any points we can put here. Okay. Now put the 0, 0 in the given inequality. So this inequality becomes 0 plus 0 is greater than equal to 5, which is false. Hence the solution region is upward of the line x plus y is equal to 5. Now if you see here this point, the coordinate of this point is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. If you put 6 to 2 on this inequality, 6 plus 2, it is 8. 8 is greater than equal to 5. Means of that this point is satisfied this inequality. But if you put this point, coordinate of the point D is -1 and 2. If you would put in place of x is -1 and in place of 2, -1 plus 2 is equal to 1. 1 is greater than 5. No, it is false. Hence, the D point is not satisfied the inequality. So the solution reason is upward direction of the x plus y is equal to 5. And also included all points which is lies on the line, because here given x plus y greater than equal to 5. Next question is, solve the 2x plus y less than 5 graphically in two-dimensional plane. So first we draw the line 2x plus y in the dotted form. Now the points 0, 5 and 5 upon 2 and 0 is the 2 point lie on the line. If you put here x is equal to 0, it gives y is equal to 5. If you put y equal to 0, it gives x is equal to 5 by 2. So these 2 points lies on the line. Hence this is the tracing of the line 2x plus y is equal to 5 in the dotted form. Next, now take a general point, say it is 0, 0 and substitute in the given inequality. So it becomes 2 times of 0 plus 0, means 0 plus 0 is less than 5, which is true. So our solution region is, hence the solution region is downward of the line, because 0, 0 is satisfying this region. Now if you want to check, put the 1, 1 on the given inequality. 2 times of 1 plus 1, it is 3. 3 is less than 5. Yes, 1, 1 is satisfied this inequality. Now if you put 5, 3 on this inequality, 5 times of 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 is less than 5. No, 13 is greater than 5. So the 5 and 3 is not satisfied this inequality. So the all points lies on the region is satisfied this inequality.